Explore the monumental insights from leading analysts as they dive into market risks, geopolitical shifts, and technological advances shaping our financial future. Learn about European rate decisions, interconnected financial risks, and the booming tech sector, all powered by AI's extraction of critical data. Stay informed and secure your investments against unpredictable market movements. Today, on Financial News in Review, we will summarize the following videos. From Kitco News, we have Kitco will be at Rule Symposium July 7 to 11, 2024. From Kitco News, we have Putin's defense pact with North Korea, NY Fed's bank warning, European rate decisions, Kitco News. From David Lin, we have Roaring Twenties is back, S&P to 8,000, says economist who called rally, Ed Yardeni. In this exciting announcement, Kitco News invites you to the highly anticipated Rule Symposium, set to take place from July 7th to 11th, 2024, in beautiful Boca Raton, Florida. Hosted by industry leaders and featuring top analysts, this event promises to be a must-attend for anyone involved in resource and commodities investing. The core thesis of this video revolves around the significance and potential benefits of attending the Rule Symposium, emphasizing its status as the nation's premier event for resource and commodities investing. The video underscores the invaluable knowledge and profitable opportunities that attendees will gain. Here are the key points discussed by Jeremy Saffron. Event details. The symposium will be held in Boca Raton, Florida from July 7th to 11th, 2024. It brings together industry leaders, top analysts, and experts in the mineral resource sector. Coverage and exclusive interviews. Kitco News' Jeremy Saffron will be on location to bring exclusive interviews. Insights from top analysts and industry experts will be shared. Educational and profitable opportunities. Attendees will gain valuable knowledge on the latest trends and strategies in resource and commodities investing. Potential profitable opportunities in the mineral resource sector will be highlighted. Jeremy Saffron made the following predictions: industry growth and investment opportunities. The symposium is likely to offer foresight into significant industry trends and investment opportunities for 2024 and beyond. Participants may discover emerging mineral resource ventures poised for growth. The Rule Symposium is not just an event, it's an essential experience for anyone serious about resource and commodities investing. With exclusive coverage provided by Kitco News and Jeremy Saffron, attendees will walk away equipped with actionable insights and invaluable knowledge. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Mark your calendars for July 7th to 11th, 2024, and join us in Boca Raton, Florida. Welcome back to Kitco News. Today, we're diving into some of the most pressing international and financial developments shaping our world. From geopolitical maneuvers in Asia to crucial European monetary decisions and alarming financial warnings from the NY Fed, we've got you covered. Today's video addresses three main aspects: recent interest rate decisions by European central banks, significant geopolitical shifts involving Russia and North Korea, and a financial warning about the interconnectedness and risks posed by non-bank financial institutions to major U.S. banks. These topics are not only timely, but carry profound implications for global stability and economic health. Here are the key points discussed by Jeremy Saffron. European Central Bank decisions. The Bank of England has decided to maintain its interest rate at 5%, signaling a cautious approach amidst recent significant political changes in the UK, where the Conservative Party, led by Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, has lost considerable support. Meanwhile, the Swiss National Bank has cut its policy rate by 25 basis points to 1.25%, aiming to boost economic growth amid low inflation and a strong Swiss franc, which affects the country's export competitiveness. Geopolitical moves by Russia. Russian President Vladimir Putin's diplomatic visit to North Korea and his meeting with Kim Jong-un resulted in a mutual defense pact, reviving a Cold War-era agreement to provide immediate military aid in case of an attack. Putin's subsequent visit to Vietnam focused on enhancing ties in trade, education, energy, and technology. Though no major breakthroughs were achieved, the visit underscored Russia's strategy to project international legitimacy and secure new alliances. NY Fed's financial warning. A Federal Reserve blog post highlights growing risks posed by non-bank financial institutions to major U.S. banks. These non-banks rely heavily on big banks for liquidity, which could amplify financial shocks during market stress. The interconnectedness between banks and non-banks has risen since the 2008 financial crisis, with risk correlations now exceeding 80%. Jeremy Safford made the following predictions. Potential market stress from non-bank financial reliance. The NY Fed cautions that non-bank financial institutions could indeed pose significant risks to major U.S. banks, particularly during periods of market stress. This prediction is based on the growing correlation between their risk profiles and the heavy reliance non-banks have on bank-provided liquidity. Impact of European rate decisions. The decisions by the Bank of England and the Swiss National Bank may stabilize their respective economies in the short term, but could also lead to fluctuations in currency value and international trade dynamics, particularly if inflationary pressures shift or political climates change further. Jeremy Safford wraps up the episode by emphasizing the importance of staying aware of both geopolitical changes and financial health indicators. The recent European Central Bank decisions highlight the cautious approach taken amidst political uncertainties, while Russia's diplomatic strategies underscore its ambitions to strengthen alliances and project power. The warnings from the NY Fed about non-bank financial institutions are particularly concerning, suggesting that viewers keep an eye on further developments that could impact the broader financial system. Stay tuned to Kitco News for continuing coverage and detailed analysis. Welcome to David Lin's channel, where we delve into the most compelling financial and economic discussions. Today, we're joined by Dr. Edward Yardeni, President and Chief Investment Strategist at Yardeni Research. Dr. Yardeni has a track record of accurate market predictions, having successfully forecasted the recent stock market rally. He will be sharing his insights on the ongoing technology revolution and its impact on the stock market, particularly focusing on the prospects of the S&P 500 reaching unprecedented highs. Dr. Edward Yardeni posits that we are entering a roaring 2020s era, driven by technological advancements and economic resilience. He forecasts significant bullish trends for the S&P 500, projecting it to reach 6,000 by the end of 2024, 6,500 by 2026, and potentially 8,000 by the end of the decade. Yardeni believes this sustained growth will be bolstered by ongoing technological innovations and robust company earnings, countering potential economic downtrends. Here are the key points discussed by Dr. Edward Yardeni. Current market momentum. The S&P 500 has shown remarkable growth, already exceeding expectations with a current level above 5,400. Key contributors to this growth include strong company earnings and a booming technology sector, notably driven by artificial intelligence. Economic resilience and earnings. The economy has continued to grow without entering a recession, with forward earnings at an all-time high. The technology sector has outperformed other sectors, indicating a positive outlook for tech-driven growth. Inflation and Federal Reserve policies. Inflation is moderating, with core inflation rates coming in lower than expected. Yardeni expects inflation to hit the Fed's 2% target by year-end. Dr. Yardeni argues that the Federal Reserve does not need to cut interest rates this year, given the strong economic performance. Dr. Edward Yardeni made the following predictions. Continued bull market. Yardeni predicts the S&P 500 will reach 6,000 by the end of 2024, 6,500 by 2026, and 8,000 by the end of the decade. This growth is primarily fueled by the technological revolution and increased company earnings. Potential risks. While optimistic, Yardeni warns of protectionist policies reminiscent of the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act of 1930, which could disrupt global trade. He also highlights the potential for tariffs on China to cause economic disruptions, particularly if they spark retaliatory measures. Dr. Edward Yardeni remains bullish on the stock market, particularly the S&P 500, owing to technological advancements and economic resilience. He advises investors to stay optimistic, but also to remain aware of potential risks, such as protectionist trade policies. For those interested in keeping up with his insights, you can subscribe to Yardeni Quick Takes for regular updates. Stay tuned and informed as we navigate the roaring 2020s. Across these videos, experts highlighted crucial trends. The Rule Symposium promises significant opportunities in resource investing, European financial decisions signal cautious economic maneuvering, and the S&P 500 is forecasted to soar due to a tech revolution. However, concerns about non-bank financial risks and geopolitical movements like Russia's strategic pacts underscore the need for vigilance. Stay connected with Kitco News and David Lin for continuing updates and in-depth analysis. Thanks for watching Financial News in Review for June 21st, 2024. If you'd like more time-saving content, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see, drop a comment below. See you next time.